My name is Pipit Apriliana. I would like to presentation about rainfall. Check this out. Here I have 13 vocabulary. 1. Commonly, ukuran. 2. Preferred, biasanya. 3. Average, rata-rata. 4. Precipitation, hujan. 5. Counting, menghitung. 6. Typical, tidak teratur. 7. Amount, jumlah. 8. Snowfall, salju yang turun. 9. Record, merekam. 10. Kombinasi. 11. Location, lokasi. 12. Wind, angin. 30. Prevailing, berlaku. Main idea. Precipitation, commonly referred to as rainfall, is a measure of the quality of atmosphere, whether in the form of rain, hail, snow that reaches the ground. The amount of precipitation that our area refers in a combined result of several factors, including location. Precipitation, commonly referred to as rainfall, is a measure of the quality of atmosphere, whether in the form of rain, hail, snow that reaches the ground. The average annual precipitation over the whole of the United States is 36 inches per year. It should be understood, however, that all precipitation is not measured equally. For example, a foot of snow does not equal a foot of precipitation. According to the general formula for computing the precipitation of snowfall, 10 inches of snow equal 1 inch of precipitation. In Upper New York State, for example, where there is typical a large amount of snowfall every winter, 100 inches of snow in 1 year would be recorded as only 10 inches of precipitation. On the other hand, rain is rain. 40 inches of would be recorded as 40 inches of precipitation. The total annual precipitation for an area with 40 inches of rain and 100 inches of snow would be recorded as 50 inches of precipitation. The amount of precipitation that areas receive is a combined result of several factors, including location, altitude, proximity to the sea, and the direction of prevailing wind. Most of the precipitation in the United States is brought original by prevailing wind from the Pacific Ocean, the Gulf of Mexico, the Atlantic Ocean, the Great Lakes. Because the prevailing wind generally comes from the west, the Pacific coast receives more annual precipitation than the Atlantic coast. Along the Pacific coast, in south, however, altitude causes some diversity in rainfall. The mountain range of the United States, especially the Rocky Mountain range and the Appalachian Mountain range, influence the amount of precipitation in the areas to the windward and leeward side of this range. As of the Rocky Mountains, the annual precipitation is substantially less than that west of the Rocky Mountain. The precipitation north of the Appalachian mountain averaging 40% less than shore of the Appalachian mountain. As air current of the ocean move overland, the air must rise to pass over the mountain. The air cool, and the weather that is hard in the cold falls as rain or snow on the ascending side of the mountain. The air, therefore, is drier on the other side of the mountain. Conclusion: precipitation, commonly referred to as rainfall, is a measure of the quality of atmospheric weather in the form of rain, hail, snow that reaches the ground. The amount of precipitation that an area receives is a combined result of several factors, including location, altitude. Thank you for watching my presentation. I hope you all like this. Goodbye. See you.